Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is video about how to make a pienapple logo design in Illustrator. So today's video is very interesting. So let's get started. Firstly, I open the Illustrator. I take my size and you take your size. And open the interface open. And then open my ArtSketch file. Now I take a layer. I take for layer for this logo. Okay, it's perfect. Then I selected many color for pienapple. First I take a art this logo. It is very easy and simple and beautiful. So, you do it. Oh, this teeth is very well. And then I art this head. Okay, this logo is perfect. And then taking a shape. And second layer this text. Now I second layer for remove. Then I color selected for this logo. Then I take a pineapple border side. Okay, it is perfect. Now I border color selection. And other side for remove. It is very easy and simple. Now I take color combination shape for this logo. Now this color for side to border. Then I extra side for erase. Okay, it's perfect. Now I take a circle shape. And then layer for this second layer. And now take a text. Glassing fruit. This video is long but important, so you don't skip. Now I choose for my font. Then I art a butterfly icon. The art is very easy. Okay, this perfect. Then I stroke this and medium. And again this icon is copy. Okay, it is perfect. Then I again a taking. And again a copy this icon. Okay, it is perfect. Then this icon take of text sign. I take glassing text divided to part. I take butterfly this middle. Then I taking a shape. It is very easy and simple. And those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Turn I a line for a text. Then I text to stroke contributor. Then I customize logo my like. You can your like this logo. Okay, complete. Now I text to stroke. It is very easy. I take stroke color white. Okay, it is perfect. Then I remove extra sign. Now second text for customize. So, I choose my font. Then I take text space. Then I choose color. And I take large to small this text. So everyone now video, send very beautiful logo. And thanks for watching video.